Hi guys, today our topic is WPF. In WPF we are doing the CRUD operations by using ADO Dot Net. What is mean by WPF means Windows Presentation Foundation. Okay guys, now we have to create new project. In that we have to search WPF. We are seeing the WPF application. Please select that one and click on next, and you have to enter your project name. Now I am entering WPF CRUD operations. CRUD operations means add, update, delete, search. Now I am selecting the D drive folder. Wherever you want to save, you have to select that folder. Giving some folder name WPF and click on next. It's supporting the .NET 8 framework, not core. This is one is the .NET core. Just creating the project. Our project is created, and go to the YAML. This one is the YAML, and inside that YAML.cs is there. Now click on YAML. This is our main window. This is the toolbar. Whatever you want, you can drag and drop, or you can write in grid like this. Like this you can drag and drop, or you can write. Now I am writing another button. Content, update, height, width. I am giving 50 as of now. Height 50. Okay, I am changing the content name button. Now I am adding like add. Now copy the margin because we want same margin, same level we want. Now like this also you can add for the position. Now here adding two more buttons. Copying the button and paste here. Now we getting four buttons. You have to change the margin to 44 and 300 or 500. You change the content name, add, update, delete, clear or search, whatever you want. Now we are adding the buttons color, like font size, vertical, horizontal is left, given on left, and vertical alignment is top. Now we are setting the width is 80, and font weight is the bold. Now I am setting font weight is bold. After that, background color I am giving the yellow green. Okay, green yellow, but because clear button is different and delete button is different, that's why I am giving green yellow. Okay, after that I am changing these two buttons also, update and add and update. Now I am changing these two buttons, like copying, pasting everything. Paste, because you have to adjust the margin. Here, if you are adjusting the margin means it will display to 177. I am giving 266, and this one giving 300 and 420, whatever size you want. Now here I am changing 0 0 because we have to see. Here now I am adjusting the button sizes with adjusting the buttons in same level by using the margin. Here we have to check with the same level. Here giving 328, and we have to change the space, delete and update. Okay, we have to change the button names, add, update, and delete and clear. Giving the names for buttons like name, BT, and add. Like this, remaining buttons also you have to give update and BT and delete. Now I am giving the names BT and delete. Okay, now I am decreasing the update and delete spaces by using the margin. Here 420 is there, right? I am giving the 390. Okay. Now I am giving the font size for add and update and delete. Font size I am giving like 16. Okay, as of now. And remaining also same, update and delete also I am giving the font size. Font size 16. Be careful while designing the buttons and everything. Font size 16. Now buttons are over. Now we have to do like label and text box we have to write. Now here I am adding the labels like name. I am also adding the remaining. First I am adding labels, remaining labels also. Now I am giving whatever name you want. I am giving name, first name, last name, age, and city. And you want extra ones, you have to add. And you have to add the extra names, extra labels also. Now I am adding two more labels like email and password. Email and password. Okay, you have to adjust the margins. After that you have to visible all first name, last name labels you have to use. Now I am changing the margin. Here 94 is there. Now I am adding 124. You have to see last name 124 and 154, like 145, whatever you want. I am changing every margin for visible everything, right? That's why I am changing everything. 177 and 200 and finally 244 or 255. These are the labels, and email password 264 some Q. As of now, labels completed. Now we have to add the text boxes. TXT text box. See the spellings. If you have any spelling error, means it will show the error. Added the text box. I am giving some name. TXT first name. After that, we have to check the alignment and font size also. Now I am writing the horizontal alignment is left. After that, I am giving the vertical alignment top. Vertical alignment is top. Now I am writing the margin 220 93 0, 0. After that, I am writing the text wrapping wrap. After that, we have to write width and height. Width is I am saving 100 or 180. I am changing the width like 160 and height is the I am giving 20. After completed, once again you have to run the code, because you have to check the properly it is working or not. As of now, no showing errors. So this is our main window. This is the name and text box. Now I am adding the remaining text box also, last name, email, password, agency. I am adding the remaining text box also. Or you can check, you can work like this also, and you have to like this also, whichever you want. Copy the text box and paste here. Now change the names, txt last name, txt email, txt password. I'm giving everything. txt age, you have to give everything like if you have same name, means it shows the error like age. And we have to have added one more text box also, and txt city last one. After that, you have to set the margins, like I am giving 120. Check properly, 120 is not good. 120 a little bit good. After that, 160. Okay. I am giving 180. Not good. I am giving 190. 195. Okay. Now I am setting the age for the margin like 221. Okay, little bit down, means 225 or 229. 229. Okay. 250. Not good. I am giving 260. Okay. Now you have to build and run once again. Now running our code. Okay, design part will completed. We have to add one more grid, data grid. After that, design part will completed. Once you add the grid, you have to full-fledged completed for designing part. Okay, stop the code and add the grid. I am adding the data grid. Data grid. It occupies the entire space because you didn't give any margin, right? That's why it occupies the entire space. Now I am giving some name, data grid, and now here I am giving the margin also. Margin like giving 500, 100, 60 and 160. Now I am giving here margin. If you want to add some height, whatever you want, you can add. Okay guys, now design part will completed. After that we have to connect the database in YAML.cs. We have to see now how to connect the database and how to add and update, delete in database. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates.